One of the tools that I always use is first, when I'm in doubt, can I stop doing what I'm doing? So if I'm talking to you and my voice is raising and I can see the concern in your eyes, or you are going backwards as I'm speaking, or if my tone is becoming larger, or your reactions are stronger, first is to stop and inquire. Ask, is everything okay? Am I talking too loud? Or am I saying something that is offending to you? First, check. So stop, check. And then when you say what you say, I need to reflect. Are you saying what you are saying because you are being polite? Or are you trying to be nice to me so you are not telling exactly what you are feeling? Or are you being honest and authentic? I just need to take your words and then move on with it. So I need to do reflection. Most important way in which I can get out of chaotic state to a state of what I call enlivening for you, enlivening for me, I need to check my energy. When I'm talking to you, when I'm having this discussion, am I feeling more energetic? And I feel more enlivened. Similarly, do I experience you having more energy in engaging with me? Are you being more enlivened? Are you coming to life? Are you becoming more animated? If that is the case, then I think we are actually creating a field where we both can operate in a more peaceful, meaningful, and joyful, sometimes even playful way. That's the first step.